Introducing TrakPack, the all-in-one procedure kit for skeletal traction. TrakPack gives you everything you need for bedside traction, except lidocaine and gloves. We include a 2mm diamond tip pin and an FDA-cleared DEWALT pin driver, so you can rely on fast, easy pinning every time. We provide a sterile cover to drape the pin driver, so there's no need to borrow drills from sterile processing. The pin driver's quick connect system makes loading and disconnecting the pin effortless. We include pin cutters in every surgical power kit for easy trimming, and pin caps to prevent poke injuries to you or your patient. Every TrakPack also includes a single-use bio-based QuickBow, which you can recycle through our recycling program. Just press the spring-loaded locking levers and secure the bow to the traction pin. You can apply tension independently by turning the blue handle. QuickLine lets you eliminate bed frames and weights, a revolutionary way of applying traction. Just connect the QuickLine ropes to the underside of QuickBow and hang them off the end of any bed. Fill the water bag to your desired weight, then connect it to the other end of the QuickLine ropes. When QuickBow lifts off the tibia, you're applying traction. With TrakPack, you eliminate the need for Kirschner bows and OR power, can perform traction on any patient bed, eliminate SPD bottlenecks, and deliver faster patient care. Learn more about TrakPack, our other procedure kits, and educational resources at arbutusmedical.com.